Welcome, in front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face. So in such case, you'll have to set up a new face for face unlock. So first let's go to the settings, then open security settings. Now scroll down until you see the face unlock feature. Let's go here, and before we add a new face, let's delete all the previous biometric data. And right now, before we add a new face, let's wipe the camera, the frontal camera of our phone with the dry towel to make sure that it sees us clearly, and then make sure that the lighting in your room is proper, so that you can clearly see yourself in the camera. Make sure you don't wear any objects like glasses, masks, or whatsoever. And once you're ready, press enroll face and then press next afterwards to proceed. And once you added your face, press done. And now, before we return to the screen lock, let's first check if our device is up to date and it's not causing any problems with the face unlock feature. So let's go to the system, select system update, and check if your device has any updates available, and if it does, install them. Now, before we continue, let's first restart our device, as it will be our last step in order to ensure that everything will work smoothly. So hold down the power button, then select restart and wait for your device to reboot. And when our device is restarted, let's try and unlock the device using our face, my face in this case. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly this time. Well, I hope it helped you too. If it did, let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like if you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.